Yeah, here at Mac's Shortbread company, I'm one of the machine operators as well as helping in purchasing. Here at Mac's Shortbread, we're a family owned and operated business here in northern Victoria, selling shortbread products to the mainstream supermarkets as well as independent wholesalers and gift hamper companies. So as our production has increased here, we've realised the need for a solution to date code and batch code our products efficiently and quickly. Also to provide us with adequate recall capabilities and systemisation, which is where Matthews has come into the picture in providing us with this solution. During the procurement process, Matthews came up and visited us, talked us through the whole project and explaining what was involved, took away samples of our own products. The machine was built and delivered to us, installed and working in a few days. We've probably done business with Matthews for over 10 years now. They're just a great company to work with. What we look for as a food manufacturing business is a good quality machine that's reliable, has a company behind it that stands by its products, has a great backup service if you have a breakdown, and Matthews has provided us with all of that and more.